A day after Shrikant Jaina targeted the Odisha government and Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik levelling allegations of collusion and illegal mining, the BJP has hit back. They say it's a case of sour grapes over not getting a plump post after the cabinet reshuffle. But the larger question is, will the Congress back Jaina, who's batting solo so far?
The state government has said the areas which was earmarked for the exploitation of the extraction of the mining, they have gone beyond that. If that is totally in legal manner, if the irregularity has not taken place, then why then this imposition of fine then?
His attack against the Chief Minister of Odisha has brought up the possibility of unearthing a mega mining scam in the state. Shrikant Jaina's allegations have, however, been quickly rebutted by the BJD.
The central government has repeatedly cautioned all state governments, including the Odisha government, any excess production that takes place within your mining area is not to be regarded as illegal mining.
While the central minister has raised questions on why the companies responsible for exceeding the mining limit have not been brought to book.
Illegality is to be covered up by showing the excess production, and that those are all illegal productions.
The Odisha government has rubbished the central minister's allegations, in fact hitting out at Jaina for being bitter about not getting a plum post during the cabinet reshuffle.
So cancellation is not a joke. So arises. If situation, gentlemen, if situation so arises, we may cancel. Now that picture has come that so much of money they will be paying to state government, we may think.
While the allegations and counter-allegations fly thick and fast, the fact that Shrikant Jaina has decided to go solo without his party's backing is raising several eyebrows. But as the central minister stands by his claim that this scam is bigger than the mining scams of Karnataka and Goa put together, will the centre back Shrikant Jaina? And will they order a CBI probe? Bureau Report, Times Now.